All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following for a little bit, you know we are rigging this kayak up for duck season. We put a trolling motor on it. That made it heavy, so we couldn't load it on the top of the truck anymore. So we got a new bed extender, and I have to get out super early before dawn to get out and put my decoys out. And so I've just been not liking having lights that stay on and I can't just click them off. My last visibility flag, it was really tough. I think it was from Rack Attack. It was just really tough to screw on and off. To turn on and off the light, you had to unscrew the top of it. It was this piece here. You had to unscrew it like this. And it was just really tough to do, especially when it's cold, hands are wet. And so I would have to like basically run the light the whole time I was out there and just hide it inside the kayak to not distract any ducks. So went on Amazon and found, this kind of looks like a airplane light, but I found this one that has a button on it, which I think will be a lot easier for me. So going to install that now because my last light slipped inside of a rod holder on a crate I had. Adding the motor, adding the battery to power the motor, I can't use that crate anymore with the flag holder and rod holder. So I have to install a new mount. We're gonna do that today. So when I bought this kayak used, or got it used from a friend, this I think is what he had his lights on. Just something you can find on Amazon too. This one has a little bit bulkier of a base, and I was thinking I could just remove this placed on top, but it's gonna interfere over here. My trolling motor is out here to the right, so this is gonna be already pretty bulky over here, so I'm thinking I can just install it here. The bolts it comes with in the kit are just that, they're bolts. I mean, this is a storage compartment here. I can't really reach underneath here to screw in any bolts. I would have to unscrew this whole housing. Don't really want to do that. So what I'm going to do is find some screws that will work here and then just screw this down into the kayak. Okay, so I found 4 screws that I think will work well. I'm just going to try to line this mount up with the profile of the boat. That way I can still maybe grab this handle with this mount here. If it was too close here, I think my hand would bump in it too much. So we're going to get it as close as I can to the rear, the stern. Okay, so this is the extension pole for the flag. And this is the base that I need to use. This kit comes with a couple of different bases. It comes with, I mean, really, this is another rod holder base right here. It also comes with a slide track base, and then the mount that I'm using. So I'm thinking we just screw that in like so. And then this screws on here. I'm gonna go find a battery for this. Okay, battery gods shined upon us. We only had the 3 AAA batteries it needed, so I've got to order some more AAA batteries for the future. So this is it, not extended. It's got a high. It's hard to see in the daylight, but a high, a low, and then an off. Okay. That is the flag. So what is nice is the mount for this flag is similar, if not the same, as the mount for the trolling motor. So just something to take note of. Which means it has this locking pin in here, so now it's secure. And then to turn the flag on, we just press that button and then we just raise this up how far we want it. I don't see myself extending this all the way out. It can get pretty tall. And I just don't see a need for all of that. That's just really tall. I could see this just going maybe even here. Maybe just using that larger section. And then to store it, I can take it all apart, and the flag is also a bag to be able to store that in. And so that is pretty convenient. So that's it. This only have a few more things I want to get done to the kayak before it's ready for duck season and goose season. But just pretty excited about all the modifications and the safety features that we'll be using this fall. So thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave any comments, and I'll try to get back to them. Till next time.